If you are someone who is confused what to do in life, you like every single field equally or you don't like any field particularly, or if you are someone who loves his work-life balance so much that you want to get free at 7 p.m. at any cost, or if you're someone who wants to become a CEO one day, then this field is the best for you, and this field is called general management. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk in and out about a field called general management. आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने सुना होगा, but I promise you not everybody would know what it actually entails. Campus tak I had a perception that if you join general management, you will be taking up these multiple positions like marketing, consulting as one person, as a general manager. When I talked to my friend, he explained to me there is no such position called general manager. When you join the general management field, it means that every 2 years you will be rotated into these different positions. So for the first 2 years, you might be a marketing manager. Then for the next 2 years, you might be into the strategy team, then operations team, then product team, so on and so forth. You don't only rotate specialization wise, you also rotate industry wise. For example, in the first 2 years, you might be working in the consultancy wing of Tata. Next 2 years, you might be working in the automobile sector. They keep on rotating you so that you get every single exposure. Why? Because they want you to become leaders of tomorrow. They want you to become CEOs of tomorrow. अब इससे ही पता लग जाएगा कि कौन सी कंपनीज ये ऑफर करती होंगी. Because if you are to be rotated into different industries, you need to be a part of a very big business group. And in India, there are only a few such groups like Tata, Bajaj, Reliance, Aditya Birla Group. So these are the major ones where general management positions are offered. The average package in general management is around 30 lakhs, out of which 22 to 25 is fixed, and after 3 years the same will become somewhere close to 35 fixed and 45 to 50 overall. The average increment in these industries is the lowest. It's around 5 to 8%. So बहुत ही government job वाला feel आएगा आपको that the growth is slightly slow in terms of increments, but the learning is so much and the security is so much. Now while applying to these companies, you need to have a CV which looks very professional, and in order to help you make that, I have collaborated with Wondershare PDF Element. You know, I make all my videos on Wondershare Filmora, so I was so excited to hear that they have collaborated for another product, and when I tried it, let me tell you, it was so smooth. Whenever you apply to any job, never ever send your resume as a Word document. It should always be a PDF. But how do you edit your PDF? You don't, right? You always convert your PDF first into Word, then you edit it, then you convert it back into a PDF, and then you send it. But why to go through all this hassle? You can simply edit all your PDF documents directly using PDF Element. Let me show you how. This is my CV in a PDF format. As you can see it, I am directly working on it. No need of worrying that when I convert it into a PDF, will the formatting or alignment change? Nothing of that sort will happen. Let me share something even more useful. This is the template mall. Just click on the template option under quick tools and you'll get hundreds of templates to choose from. And with just a single click, you'll be all set to make your CV in no time and in a better looking format than mine. So use it, edit it, sign it, or even convert it into PPT, Word, JPG, or even convert back into PDF. Everything is possible with this simple and easy to use tool. Simply download it from Google Play Store, or you can also install it on your desktop. I'll put the link in the description and the pinned comment. Now while you're making your CV for the general management roles, make sure that number one, it is a balanced CV, which means everything should be there in your CV. It shouldn't be like कि एक ही चीज बता रहे हो. It shouldn't be like all your courses are in finance. You are also a finance work experience वाला person. That means that it is a very specialized CV. On the other hand, your CV should have a little bit of marketing, little bit of finance, little bit of HR, everything little, so that you can show that you have the inclination to move into different fields. Number two, your CV should show stakeholder management or people management skills. You will be working into different roles with different people. If you don't know how to work with people, you will not be able to convince the interviewer. So during your school life, your college life, if you've worked in groups, if you've been a part of a team, if you've led a team, put that experience for sure. Third is industry know-how. Now, how much do you know about these companies is something they are going to evaluate in the interview, not in your CV. When you are being interviewed, they'll be checking कि अच्छा, do you know only about Tata Consultancy or do you also know about Tata Automobile? So what are the different industries in which Tata Group is involved? What are the recent projects that they are taking up? ये सब कैसे आएगा? By reading up about them on a daily basis. So the 4 groups that I talked about, Reliance, ABG, Aditya Birla Group, टाटा एंड बजाज, इनके बारे में डेली बेसिस पे थोड़ा पढ़ा करो सो दैट यू गेट टू नो अबाउट द डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज इन विच दे आर ऑपरेटिंग. व्हेन यू आर रेडी विद अ गुड CV, you can apply to their leadership program. Now how do you do that? For that you need to do an MBA from the top B schools. The top 20 B schools offer a general MBA. Every MBA that you hear IIMs offering or FMS offering, these are all general MBAs. So these companies come and hire from there for their leadership roles. The other option is also to go for strategy or chief of staff or founders office roles in the startups. They are not exactly general management roles, but they also require you to work on multiple profiles. So other than the top 20 B schools, in most B schools you will find these startups offering such roles, so they can act as a good substitute if you want to get into general management. The third option is to go through case competitions. So most of these companies also organize case competitions. Like Tata has multiple competitions through which it accepts people for these leadership roles. So you can apply to them as well. Work-life balance wise, general management companies are the best. Like after 7 PM there is no work. After 6 PM there is no work related call even. You might have heard ना कि Tata Group बहुत अच्छा है काम करने के लिए. That is also true for all the other groups except Reliance. In Reliance, in some roles you have to stay till 8 or 9 PM also. Still, I would say way more relaxed as compared to consulting, marketing. Not the fact that you don't have to do the work, you have responsibilities, but the culture is way better. Suitability wise, as I already mentioned, if you're not sure what you want to do, or if you're not sure in the long term what you want to do, you're clear about the short term that I have some interest in marketing, but not very sure what I would eventually want to do, this is a good role to apply to. Number 2, if you are into finance or HR, not the role for you, because when you are assuming different positions in these companies, finance or HR are not the companies you'll be working in. It will mostly be marketing, consulting, operations, product, sales. Number 3, if you want to do meaningful work, because most of these groups have on-ground impact, you'll be at times seeing yourself working on projects that impact people at the deepest levels, at the ground level. So definitely something you can explore then. Number 4, if you want to have good switching options, what that means is, since you'll be assuming different roles and positions, you can always move into different areas after general management. So these are the suitability points, and this is all I wanted to share about general management. I hope this video helps you. Thanks guys.